as you are aware, there was a train accident involving Bagmati Express at around 8:30 in a place called Kavarapete in Thiruvallur district of Tamil Nadu. A stationed cargo train it collided on a cargo train. Around 6 coaches were derailed. There were around 1,360 passengers on board. It is said that there were 1,360 passengers on board. We swung into action. Our Honorable Chief Minister had instructed us to ensure that the rescue operation be in full swing. And based on his instructions, we ensured that every single passenger was rescued. So luckily, there are no casualties. There have been no deaths. We had 19 people who had injuries, and four of them had severe injuries. They all were referred immediately to the Government Stanley Medical College Hospital in Chennai, and the others with minor injuries were referred to the nearby hospital at Ponneri. So far, all of them are stable, and we believe that there will be no casualties as well. But then they have been given the best medical care. Right now, we are ensuring the well-being of the passengers who have been rescued from here. Immediately, cooked food have been arranged on the orders of the Honorable Chief Minister. People have been provided with water, immediate biscuit and other refreshments, and cooked food is getting cooked. We have arranged accommodation for people nearby, the nearby marriage halls, which is close to 5 minutes from here. People are being stationed here. People who are willing to travel to Chennai, we have arranged transportation for them through the State Transport Corporation buses and other buses. So hopefully this situation has been in control, and we believe everybody is safe.
This train was going towards Gudur and further to Andhra Pradesh and via Odisha. It would have gone to Darbhanga. So it started from Mysore. So while going towards Gudur, it has to pass this station. So at this station, goods train was stabled at the loop line, and this was given precedence. So this was supposed to pass via the main line, run through without stopping. There is no stoppage here. And signals were also given for the main line. But it was unusual that despite having the signals for the main line, the train entered the loop line where the goods train was standing. So it hit the goods train from behind, and because of which this engine has derailed. But fortunately, both our loco pilot and assistant loco pilot are hale and hearty. I mean, now we are, after taking their statement, we will relieve them. And the immediate coach behind the engine, which was power car cum parcel, so that caught fire, perhaps because power car is a diesel engine. So, but that no damage was caused to any human because of that, and that fire was doused by immediately ambulances reached, and rescue teams from railway, from fire department, and from railway police and state police, they reached well in time, including ambulances and railway doctors, senior officers. And fortunately there was no death, and all the injured were immediately moved to the nearby hospital, Stanley Hospital, and some were also moved to the Madras College, Medical College.
How long it will take to clear this
No, first priority is to treat the injured, which has already been done. Now, next priority is to take the passengers to Chennai, where a special train is waiting to take them to their respective destination, to Odisha, Andhra, and Bihar, Jharkhand. And then parallelly, we are also going to restore it as soon as possible. Already our accident relief train is on way, next station Ponneri, so which is 6 kilometers away. So it is moving towards the site. So all the 4 lines are now blocked. So it may take approximately maybe 15-16 hours when we are able to clear the whole.
So the driver minister had about what was any sort of investigation we are doing?
Obviously, all high-level committee will inquire into the cause and find out what has actually happened. Should not have happened.
दक्षिण रेलवे के चेन्नई मंडल के अधीन जो चेन्नई गुडूर रेलखंड है उसके कोवरपेटई स्टेशन पर 12578 बागमती एक्सप्रेस जो कि मैसूरू से चल करके दरभंगा तक जाती है, इसके दुर्घटनाग्रस्त होने की सूचना हमें प्राप्त हुई। उसके बाद राहत और बचाव कार्य जो है वह तेजी से प्रारंभ किया गया। पूरी ट्रेन से यात्रियों को निकाल लिया गया है, सभी यात्रियों को निकाला गया है। किसी भी यात्री को की कैजुअलिटी इसमें नहीं है और न ही किसी के ग्रीवियस रूप से इंजर्ड होने की सूचना है, यानी कि गंभीर चोट किसी भी यात्री को नहीं लगी है। और सभी यात्रियों को उनके गंतव्य तक ले जाने के लिए रेलवे द्वारा विशेष व्यवस्था की जा रही है। एक डेमू ट्रेन के माध्यम से पहले यात्रियों को कोवेरपेटई स्टेशन से चेन्नई स्टेशन लाया जाएगा और वहां से फिर उनके गंतव्य स्थान पर विशेष ट्रेन के माध्यम से भेजा जाएगा। पूरी यात्रा के दौरान यात्रियों की सुरक्षा और खान पान की व्यवस्था जो है वह रेलवे द्वारा की जाएगी, ऐसा प्रबंध कर लिया गया है। इस दुर्घटना के चलते चेन्नई गुडूर रेलखंड में कुछ दूसरी गाड़ियां भी डिटेन हुई हैं। हम उन गाड़ियों को भी डाइवर्टेड रूट से जो है उनको उनके गंतव्य तक ले जाने की योजना बना चुके हैं। इन गाड़ियों में एक तिरुचिरापल्ली से चल कर हावड़ा जाने वाली एक्सप्रेस गाड़ी है और दो अन्य गाड़ियां हैं। जो एक गाड़ी एक गाड़ी टाटा नगर से एर्नाकुलम के बीच की है और एक काकीनाडा धनबाद स्पेशल है। ये गाड़ियां डिटेन्ड हैवी सेक्शन में, इसको हम लोग डाइवर्टेड रूट से ले जाने की योजना बना रहे हैं। इसके अलावा धनबाद एलएफपी एक्सप्रेस जो है 13351 और 02122 जबलपुर मदुरई एक्सप्रेस को भी डाइवर्टेड रूट से उनके गंतव्य स्थान पर ले जाने की व्यवस्था की गई है। इस दुर्घटना में किसी के कैजुअलिटी या ग्रीवियस रूप से इंजर्ड होने की कोई सूचना नहीं है। राहत दल घटनास्थल पर है और सभी यात्रियों को जो है वह डिरेल कोचेस से निकाला जा चुका है। किसी को भी कोई गंभीर चोट नहीं आई है। सभी यात्री जो कि विभिन्न कोचों से निकाले गए हैं उनको एक विशेष डेमू रेक द्वारा हम चेन्नई ले जा रहे हैं और चेन्नई से फिर उनको उनके गंतव्य तक ले जाने के लिए एक विशेष गाड़ी फॉर्म की जा रही है। उस गाड़ी के माध्यम से सभी को उनके गंतव्य स्थान तक ले जाया जाएगा।